Chairwoman, Dr. Lori Mendoza, and also Mr. Tan. Last October 2005, we attended the training, and 2 months later, we started implementing concentrated language encounter. And everything, all expenses for CLE has been shouldered by the Rotary Club of Mandaluyong. What we used to see at the background of the stage in our venue in Mandaluyong is Rotary Club of Mandaluyong, District 3800. Ngayon, Rotary International, and this time we have RC Sampaguita, Grace Park, Caloocan, Valenzuela. Lumalawak na ang CLE. Lalong lumalawak na. And this could be attributed to the positive effects of CLE when it comes to reading, as what Ma'am Domingo had shared to us earlier. And so, may I start with giving you an overview of reading. Several speakers has been mentioning about the flagship of the Department of Education, that of improving the English proficiency not only of the teachers, but if the teachers are very proficient, it will be directly transmitted to our learners. And so we have there several definitions of reading. I think you know this, but just for a little background, of course, we have there involves perceptual learning of objects, letters, and shape. Yes, especially in grade 1. We usually post several posters or words. Every part of the room is labeled so that pupils will be acquainted to the words, the shapes, and the letters. And if we keep on asking them about sharing to them the names of the different objects that we have in the classroom, when they encounter such word in another situation, it is possible that this will help them read those words. Another definition is it involves association. It involves association, yes. When you read a word, say, what word? Language, the word language. When you see that word, many things get into your mind. You could associate it to printed words, its meaning, and at times, you will also consider not only the denotative meaning, but even the connotative meaning of the word. So it involves several skills on the part of the reader. Another definition of reading involves affective or emotional satisfiers. Well, citing or example, if we read novels or whatever stories, at times we are very much affected by what we read. And so we emote different emotions if we really get involved into the meaning of the selection. Another is that it is a metacognitive activity, of something, predicting, testing, and confirming. Yes, it involves knowledge, so it's somewhat complicated. Another is it's analytic, interactive, and strategic. Analytic because it does not only involve the encoding of words, no, the understanding of the words, but you have to analyze every word, every phrase, or the sentence itself, so that you'll be able to get a very good understanding of what it means. Another is it involves cognitive skills in analyzing, comparing, evaluating, and interpreting. So those are higher order thinking skills that should be involved when we read. It's not only the knowledge, but even making comparisons, evaluating, and interpreting what it means. And all of these skills are involved in a concentrated language encounter approach to teaching English. Okay, another